The owners of the cars
APU
parked in
on.
front
Number
of the
1
airport,
engine
please take your car
start.
for security reasons. The owners of the cars parked
Primary
in front of the
hydraulics
airport, please
checked.
take your car for
Secondary
security
hydraulics
reasons.
checked. Ground requesting fuel truck, flight 787.
Today's flight number TK27. It will be in a
Okay,
delay
Captain.
of 2 hours due to technical failure. We apologize for the delay with our esteemed passengers.
Tower requesting permission for takeoff, flight 787.
Flight 787, you can take off from
Passengers
runway
who
1.
will go to Poland
Roger.
at latest within 15 minutes and have to be numbered 29 at the door.
Gates requesting
All
pushback,
passengers
flight
who check into
787.
the airport are kindly requested to assist the
Okay,
officers
Captain.
at the security point.
Ground requesting permission to taxi, flight 787.
Within 15 minutes and have to be numbered 29 at the door.
Roger that, Captain. You can start the taxi now. Have a nice flight.
Roger that. Wilco, parking brakes released.
TK-971 numbered aircraft just arrived at the airport from New York. Today's flight number TK27. It will be
American
in a
National
delay of 2 hours due to
Cleveland Center.
technical failure.
We've lost
We
radio control
apologize
with
for the delay
Transcom
with our
47.
esteemed
He's actually
passengers
flying
who
block
will go to
15
Poland
miles
at
opposite
latest
direction,
within 15 minutes
2,000
and
above
have to
you.
be numbered 29 at the
Please relay to
door.
him, contact Indy Center now on 128.3. He's in distress. American National 890, Roger Cleveland. That's Indy Center on 128.3. Transcon 47 from American National 890. Cleveland request you contact Indianapolis Center now on 128.3. Transcon 47 from American National 890. How do you read? Cleveland Center, American National 890. No reply from Transcon 47. Do you have another frequency you want us to try them on?
Captain Pilot Mr. Jason Crow,
Negative.
you expected a meeting in the block.
Thanks for your help.
Number 2 engine start. Parking brakes locked. Flaps extended. Parking brakes released. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I would just like to inform you that we are about to take off. So please make sure your seats are in their upright position, tables are folded away, and your safety belts are securely fastened. Flight attendants, take positions for takeoff.
Reasons. You need to present your passports to passenger service.
Landing gear checked. Autopilot set.
Here we go again to Budapest.
Captain, please make your flight at the expected height. You are putting the air navigation in danger.